In this video we're reviewing the Self Visa credit card, a unique tool designed for people who want to build or rebuild their credit from scratch. Unlike a typical secured card, the Self Visa is linked to a credit builder account. You first make small monthly payments toward that account, and once you've saved at least $100 and made 3 on-time payments, you can unlock the Self Visa card using your savings as a security deposit. The biggest advantage of this setup is accessibility. There's no hard credit check to apply, and it reports to all 3 major U.S. credit bureaus. It also helps diversify your credit mix since you're managing both an installment account and a revolving credit line. Plus, it gives you full control over your spending limit, helping you build good habits. On the downside, the Self Visa comes with some costs: a $25 annual fee, high APR, and interest on the credit builder account. You also won't earn any rewards, and some users report slow refunds and delayed payments. It's not an instant solution. You'll need patience and discipline to see results. Overall, the Self Visa credit card is a smart starting point if you have no credit and want to build responsibly. But if you already qualify for other secured cards with fewer fees, those might serve you better. Use it wisely, stay consistent, and watch your credit grow over time.